Russian scientists have created Metatron, a device that can change essentially traditional concepts about possibilities of diagnostics and treatment of the human organism.
Metatron is a wave device. It can harmonize space. What does it mean? It sends an impulse that creates a resonance inside us and allows to scan a level of harmonics. If an imbalance or inconformity to a model are found, we can fine-tune it, apply meta-correction and increase frequency parameters to bring them to etalon, a healthy tissue.
Special trigger sensors are placed on a patient, and through them all information about the organism's condition is gathered. Then it is analyzed and shown on a screen as a three-dimensional image. Deviations from normal conditions are seen on a color-coded Flindler's scale. Visualized with highest accuracy computer models of organs may be relieved by a therapist in any perspective, and more importantly at any level, even cellular, subcellular, and biomolecular. Then, step by step, layer by layer, a therapist gets to the source of a pathological process which often may be at a genetic level. Torsion nonlinear systems allows to identify cause and effect relation of a symptom and a nidus of a disease, which not always may be easily found.
Device allows to see viral and fungal infections. Analysis of graphs make possible to judge about acuity of a process. We see whether a process is benign or malignant.
Any specialist who works with Metatron is first of all a professional medic, therapist. Specialized retraining is required for work with the device. Therapists from all across Russia and abroad attend courses in State Medical Academy of Omsk, the alma mater of torsion medicine technology.
Our resonance frequency therapy is an addition to conventional methods of treatment. Metatron generates a specific resonance and improves patient's condition, even when other therapies turn out to be inefficient.
Special attention is paid to studying of a psycho-emotional state of a patient. Metatron registers the main emotions which are always associated with strictly defined pathological processes. The device shows all problems of an organism and may offer the most efficient treatment. It can fix organism's defects. If we return it to a normal state, it will guarantee that cells' functioning will be normalized and a cell will restore itself.
We see to what product organism reacts, which food products are good and which must be avoided.
The most interesting aspect for therapists is using of Metatron for detection of pathologies at early stages of their development. It helps to prevent development of diseases in the very beginning.
We are dealing with completely different goals, and we are offering a preventive system. A human must be healthy initially, and these systems allow to prevent and eliminate all preconditions for diseases. Quality of life changes completely. We can simply avoid.
These achievements gave us a possibility to see an organism widely, to evaluate a pathology at a genetic and molecular level. It is very important. We make a diagnosis more accurately and detect a pathology early, when no symptoms are present. Metatron is a computerized system that carries out quick diagnostics all by itself, and different from a therapist, a device never gets tired.
The concept of torsion diagnostics is familiar to therapists of the land of the rising sun. Japanese specialists use Metatron in their clinics.
At the present day, dozens of Japanese already actively use Metatron in their practices. It gives great results.
To make a person completely healthy is an objective not for 100 years, but for near future, in case if these technologies are actively developed and this prospective trend of medical science is funded.
Nowadays, influencing on human DNA seems to be fantastic. Indeed, if we learn to see a predisposition to pathology and fix it in proper time with nonlinear diagnostic systems, we could bring a disease as a fact to its minimum. Life duration and, more importantly, its quality will be increased. And even if the Nobel Prize for development of these theories is not yet given, scientists enthusiasts from the Institute of Practical Psychophysics continue to work. They are sure that humans can consciously control each cell of his organism, its material and spiritual energy, just like a talented director controls the most complex orchestra, achieving its passionate and harmonic sound.